The benefits of using a spray-applied polymer are that any configuration can be sprayed. This application can be done quickly. It's a fast-set material. These polyureas actually are designed to last 50 to 100 years. It's well suited for this industry. These in-ground concrete brick structures that go through the abuse of wastewater system, corrosion environment, hydrogen sulfide gas, and groundwater infiltration. This particular project is a wet well at a pump station that needs to be cleaned and lined because it has corrosion problems and it has infiltration problems. So infiltration is groundwater leaking into the system that ends up at the wastewater treatment plant. So initially, when this wet well is taken out of service for us to complete our work, the first thing that has to happen is it has to be pumped all the way down, and a large vacuum truck will arrive and take out the debris inside of that wet well. Once that debris is removed, then we use a regular type pressure washer to rinse down the walls. After that, our man gets in and starts to set up a scaffold system. He builds it up a ways and begins to do the ultra high pressure water blast. And again, 20 to 40,000 PSI. We use that much pressure to make sure that we get down to a solid surface, knock off all of the corrosion. There are joints every 4 feet or so in this. This leaves a void. That's an area where infiltration, water, wants to come in. And so to address those issues and stop that water, because we need a clean, dry surface to apply the liner system to, we drill through to the back of the structure and we inject a chemical grout that will foam up and then seal off those leaks. The lining process starts with a 3 to 6 mil application of a polyurethane primer. After the primer is applied and cured properly, then we begin the liner system process with the 3-layer OBIC liner. We start with a layer of a polyurea. This is an adhesion layer. And then a surfacer layer is applied. This is meant to fill in those voids between the precast section, missing mortar and brick manholes and other structures. Then a final armor coat is installed, the OBIC armor coat. After the completion of an installation of the liner system, we will do a visual inspection. We go in and look for voids, pinholes, or other defects that may be there. We use a high voltage spark detection system to check for pinholes that may not be visible to the eye. After the installation of the OBIC liner system is complete in this wet well, it's going to extend the service life of the structure for an additional 50 years or more.